of the most significant advantages of the MagnaSpread Plus is the ability to quickly switch between granular and lime applications. This can usually be accomplished in approximately 30 minutes and will only require 2 people. This video will walk you through the lime change-out process. Before beginning, ensure you are wearing proper safety gear, including safety glasses and steel-toed boots. Also ensure that there is no power running to the spinners and belt system of the MagnaSpread Plus. Start by removing the 3/8-inch bolts securing the flow divider adjuster. There are 2 bolts on each side of the spinner guard that need to be loosened. Once those bolts have been loosened, pull the flow divider back and raise the spinner guard to an upright position. Pull the spring-loaded locking pin and align the locking pin with the corresponding hole on the spinner guard to lock the guard in an upright position. Turn the flow divider adjuster handle counterclockwise to remove the adjuster from the flow divider. Now, carefully remove the fertilizer flow divider. The divider is heavy and will require 2 people for removal. Use caution when removing, ensuring not to disturb the position of the adjustable vanes on the flow divider. There are 2 5/8-inch bolts on each side of the machine near the roller bearings that hold the flow balancer. All 4 of these bolts need to be loosened. Now, rotate the flow balancer up slightly and lift the assembly off the bolts to remove from the applicator. With fertilizer flow divider removed, ensure the flow divider guides on the machine are free of residue. Then install the lime flow divider into the guides on the MagnaSpread Plus. Thread the flow divider adjuster into the lime flow divider, ensuring that cross-threading does not occur. Lower the spinner guard and tighten the 2 clamp bolts on each side to ensure the guard is locked in place. Install the 3/8-inch bolts on the flow divider adjuster bearing and tighten down to 20 foot-pounds. On the spinners, remove the fertilizer fins and install the 7.5-inch lime fins, torquing the bolts holding the fins to 20 foot-pounds. Make sure that the spinner discs are clean before installing the lime fins. There are 4 left-hand and 4 right-hand fins. Because the bolts holding the spinner fins are stainless steel, an anti-seize product is recommended to be applied to the threads of each bolt. Now, with lime fins installed, remove the bin screens from the machine. The overslung V should remain in the hopper. The MagnaSpread Plus is now ready for accurate lime application with up to a 60-foot spread pattern.